Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another What I Ate Today video, and today is my second and last video partnership with Almond Breeze. So I am partnering with them today to show you some recipes that I love making with their products. As you guys might know, I went on a trip to a Blue Diamond almond orchard with Almond Breeze back in February. So if you haven't seen the first video that I did talking about it and showing some clips and photos from the trip, then I will pop it up here and link it in the description box below if you want to check it out. I learned so much on that trip about the amount of work that goes into producing Almond Breeze products and about the dedication of the almond growers. So like I said, I will be showing you how I use their products in this video, and that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into it. This is a breakfast that I love having. I just sliced up some strawberries into a bowl. Then I just added some hemp and flaxseed granola, and then pour the Almond Breeze almond coconut on top. Blue Diamond Growers is the co-op that owns Almond Breeze, and they have been around for over 100 years and include more than 3,000 first to fourth generation almond growing families. And I actually got the chance to meet with a few of the growers on our trip and hear their stories. It was just such a great experience. A cool fact about Almond Breeze is that they are the only major brand that grows their own almonds. So that's really cool because you actually know where the almonds for the products are coming from, and you also know the quality that's behind it right from the very beginning. For lunch, I decided to make chicken and waffles. So what I did is I just made the waffles using some pancake mix, and I just added in Almond Breeze unsweetened original because I didn't really want the waffles to be too sweet since this is a savory dish. Then I added 1 egg replacer egg and a little bit of oil, and I just stirred it up. Then I greased up my tiny little mini waffle maker. It's so cute, and I made some waffles in that. In the meantime, I decided to make a cashew cream. I did this by combining some raw cashews and unsweetened Almond Breeze, and I really like using the unsweetened kind in this because it just helps create a super neutral cashew cream that you can use to make a ton of different things. In this sauce, I added some sriracha and maple syrup and made kind of like a sweet and spicy creamy cashew sauce, and I put that on top of the chicken and waffles and made it kind of like a sandwich. Honestly, it's a mess, but messy food is the best food. So for this recipe, I peeled and chopped a sweet potato, and I actually chopped it into very small pieces just because I wanted it to cook a lot quicker. And then I also just sliced up some green bell pepper while I was at it. Into a nonstick frying pan, I just added a little drizzle of oil and put these sweet potato cubes in to cook. These took about 15 minutes. And I added some chili powder and black pepper for flavor. And then after 15 minutes, I added in the green bell peppers and some little frozen corn niblets. Just cooked that for a few minutes until the peppers were softened. For these tacos, I used some of the cashew cream. I really like using Almond Breeze in my cashew cream because it just adds that extra creaminess that makes it so good. So I put some of that in a little bowl, and then I literally just added some lime juice to it and made a creamy lime sauce. To assemble the tacos, I just put some of the filling into 2 medium flour tortillas. I added some shredded lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce, but you could use whatever kind of lettuce you like. And then I added some of that leftover sweet sriracha sauce from lunch. I had still a little bit left, so I drizzled some of that on, and then I added some salsa and a good dollop of the lime cashew cream. Then I just finished it off with some green onions, and cilantro would have been perfect on this if my grocery store had some, but here we are without it, so I added some wedges of lime instead, and it was just as good. Honestly, these were amazing, and if you like tacos, then you should definitely give these a try. I was feeling a little bit like some dessert, so I actually just melted 2 coconut milk caramels in a little bowl, and I put some Almond Breeze in it just to help them melt and like turn into a sauce. And then I just drizzled the caramel sauce on top of this vegan cake that my mom made, and that was my dessert. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and another huge thanks to Alma Breeze for partnering with me on this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!